Kailash Satyarthi gives a credit of dishonor. What was his dishonor? That is, he got the Nobel Prize for his work for the children. And he gives the credit of this to his movements Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas and Adarsh Kishore from India and Iqbal Misal from Pakistan. He doesn't want to give the credit, take the credit of himself that he has done something for the children to make free the children from the slavery, from the world, but he gives its credit to his comrades, to his companions, the people who helped him in this movement were Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas and Adarsh Kishore from India and Iqbal Misal from Pakistan. These people have made the sacrifice to protect the freedom and dignity, that is self-respect of children. They not only helped Kailash Satyarthi but also protected the lives of the children who were in the slavery. They sacrificed their lives for this. He says that he humbly accepts the award on behalf of such martyrs, his fellow activists from the world and his countrymen. He thinks the credit goes to his companions, the credit goes to his comrades, his friends and the people who helped him, and also the credit goes to his fellow activists from the world and his countrymen, because he thinks that he can't do anything without the help of his countrymen. He says his journey started from great land of Lord Buddha, Guru Nanak and Mahatma Gandhi. Kailash Satyarthi says that our India is the land of peace. That is the land of Lord Buddha, Guru Nanak and Mahatma Gandhi, who fought for the peace, who loved peace. He believes the connection between India and Norway as the two centers of global peace and brotherhood. So these are two centers. One center India, another one is Norway. And what are these two centers named as? First one is global peace and second one is brotherhood. We are connected because of brotherhood. He says we are connected because of global peace. And another thing is ancient and modern things. Ancient culture and modern culture. That is, these cultures are same, he thinks. He says very humbly that the committee asked him to deliver speech, but he represents there as the sound of silence, that is, of the slave children. When he received the Nobel Prize, then the committee members asked him to give him a lecture on it. But he thinks that he is not lecturer. He is not a good lecturer, but he is the symbol of silence sound of children. That is the children who are silent because of slavery, who can't do anything because of slavery. He says he wants to represent a lot of children who are left. So he has kept an empty chair as a reminder. He wants to remind so many children who are left from this program, who are away from this program, and also who are yet in the slavery of war. Again he says he is the face of invisibility. This This is the invisibility. It can't be seen, it can't be presented before the world. I represent, he says, I represent millions of those children who are left behind, and that's why I have kept an empty chair here as a reminder. I have come here only to share the voices and dreams of children. He said he was present there only to share the dreams of the children and voices of the children, because they are all our children. I have looked into their frightened and exhausted eyes. I have held their injured bodies and felt their broken spirits. That is, he had experienced the broken spirits of such slave students, our slave children, and also he has experienced the injured bodies of such children. Then he says, he has looked into their frightened eyes and wiped out eyes. ते म्हणतात, सत्यार्थी म्हणतात की अशा मुलांच्या डोळ्यातून अश्रू वाहिलेले आणि घाबरलेली मुलं, त्यांच्या डोळ्यात अश्रूच असलेले अशी मुलं मी पाहिलेली आहेत. आणि त्यांच्या ज्या इंज्युअर्ड बॉडीज आहेत, मनाला झालेल्या जखमा, शरीराला झालेल्या जखमा, आणि त्यांचे जे ब्रोकन स्पिरिट म्हणजे अंतःकरण, अगदी पिचून गेलेलं जे अंतःकरण आहे ते त्यांनी बघितलेलं आहे. त्यांचं दुःख बघितलेलं आहे, दारिद्र्य बघितलेलं आहे, आणि त्यामुळं त्यांनी असं ठरवलं की आपण या मुलांना काहीतरी मदत करूया, याच्या गुलामगिरीतून मुक्त करूया आणि यांना शिक्षणाकडे वळवूया. यासाठी त्यांनी खूप प्रयत्न केले आणि या प्रयत्नासाठी